Are you a restaurant owner looking for a powerful marketing tool to increase sales and attract more customers? Look no further. It's the digital menu board. From its benefits to its costs, we've got you covered. Did you know that people are attracted to bright signage with vivid photos and animations? So, it's no surprise that digital menu boards are becoming increasingly popular in the food industry. One of the most critical decisions you must make is where to install your digital menu board. One strategic spot is right behind the ordering counter. This is where customers make their choices. Showing them tempting food images at this point encourages spontaneous orders. Your digital menu board has a dual purpose. First, it serves as an informative guide helping customers understand what you're selling. Second, it acts as a visual appetite stimulant. You'll be surprised. You can create a sense of hunger at the psychological level through visualization. Another great place to install a digital menu board is near the restaurant's entrance. Consider these displays as attention grabbers. They're designed to make offerings stand out, enticing customers and setting you apart from competitors. To make it more effective, you should always have something moving. Even subconsciously, human eyes focus on moving visuals. Don't forget about the drive-thru. Just like your ordering counter, this is the place where your customer decides what to order. Make sure you choose a bright and weather-resistant display. This will make a significant difference in attracting passerby traffic. It will make them swing by and see what's available. Did you know that investing in digital menu boards can boost sales by 15% or more on promoted items? Making adjustments is also quick and easy. This allows you to test what promo works and which one doesn't with minimum overhead. And the best part? You can use a cloud-based digital menu board platform to distribute the content via the internet if you have multiple locations. This is particularly beneficial when you want to ensure all the places have the same branding while leaving content localization optional. Now, let's talk about costs. To get started, you'll need a display, media player, software, and appealing visuals. You can set up a basic digital menu board for under $1,000 if you're on a tighter budget. However, if you're aiming for a more comprehensive setup, a mid-range budget of $3,000 to $7,000 should cover everything you need: hardware, software, and design. With a lower budget range, you can get a consumer-grade TV, mount, and a USB stick to put images on the TV display. That will cost you about $550. With the remaining budget, you can collaborate with a freelance designer on platforms like Fiverr to create an attractive design for $300 to $450. But if you're ready to invest a bit more, a mid-range budget of $2,000 to $3,000 can cover a commercial-grade TV, lower profile mount, media player, and cloud-based software. To truly maximize your investments, consider working with a design agency to create an animated menu board that resonates with your audience. So, there you have it. For a restaurant owner, investing in a digital menu board is a no-brainer. Thank you for watching. If you found this information useful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.